Because it's raining outside, I'm working on my form indoors, and I'm using the thumb protector I created some time ago. It still works great. I really feel comfortable with this thumb protector. It got a bit loose, but it still works great. I really like it. So I just got my target inside, and I'm shooting close distance, like 3 meters probably. Nice. So now I am standing with my back towards the target. Bow upside down. Okay. I'll do the movement slower, purposely, on purpose. Last arrow. Good. I have to keep repeating myself to have my shoulders down constantly. I have to remind myself to have my shoulders down. It's not easy. I try to do a bit of shin twist as well. Good. When you twist your body, it's a bit more difficult to do a full draw, to reach your full draw.